Previously on the Jeep Lab.
Getting ready to head to Birmingham, Alabama to get our new team rig. up, guys? Today we are stripping the interior. Getting ready to gut this thing here and pull everything out, see kind of how the cab's looking underneath. We're gonna take the dash out and try to label everything. We went ahead and got the bed freed up so that I can go to sandblasting. So I think I'm gonna gut it, drive it over to sandblasting, get the bed pulled, or I'm sorry, yeah, the bed pulled in the back, and start working on that. One step closer to pulling the cab, working on the motor, and getting the frame cleaned up. Like they added some carpet on top of the old carpet. I don't know when that was done. But you can see this looks like they added it like after the factory per se, and then added another like second layer protecting it. I'm thinking we're gonna actually do some bed liner inside everything. I might actually get this vinyl wrapped. I've been thinking of some cool patterns that we can have Jester Graphics do, but we're gonna bedline most of this, do some heat insulation around the motor part, and then maybe do some nice rubber mats in here. It's gonna be an off-road vehicle, it's gonna get dirty. I don't really care for carpet anyway, so we'll see. Just hoping not to find too much rust under here.
Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my...
So you can see here, they had some wood. Wood's probably older than me. Got quality. Running here, set on top. It's a bunch of brackets. We had to cut the exhaust. And then all these guys were what was holding it on. So we'll be replacing all of those. Little trans cooler here, got a little messed up. No biggie, that's getting replaced anyways. But we sawzawed that, and there it is. So we're gonna go park it at a buddy's house for a little bit, because that's gonna be the last thing we're gonna put on. But time to go ahead and gut all this, pull it all apart, start servicing the motor, and then next is pulling the cab off. then this guy will be going to sandblasting. This is the bottom side here, obviously.
So thanks for watching so far. You've seen, obviously, we picked up the Jeep. We've gutted the interior. We've had Byron, our buddy, came by, did a little bit of body work and some primer for us. And then last but not least, we got the bed pulled off. So next up, guys, we're gonna go ahead and build a cart to pull this cab. Once the cab off, I'm thinking of doing an engine swap. If you got any ideas for a good engine to put in this FC, put them in the comments below. Still undecided, don't know if we wanna do a 6BT, a 350, inline 6. I don't know, help me out. So next up against pulling the cab off, working on the motor, getting that pulled out, and then suspension. We're lifting this thing up. Thanks again for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this. Got any questions, comments, concern, put them on the bottom, and we'll see you later.